You baby. Hi guys, we are back again, Charlie. And if it's your first time on my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time on my my excitement, and if it's your first time on my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Guys, look at my new baby. My new baby. Do you guys remember on Instagram? If you follow me on Instagram, you remember that on my birthday I said I listed my wish list, and my wish list included a mini drone, M50 Canon camera, and mobile money. But you guys decided not to do anything for me, eh? Anyway, thank you so much to all that supported me acquiring this drone. I'm so grateful. I'm about to fly it, and I'm about to fly it with Abdullah.
Yo, what's up everyone? We are back again, Charlie. So in today's video, we are going to be flying the Mavic Mini with Stella Shanelly.
Go me!
The ever sexy, the ever beautiful, the one and only female vlogger right here in Ghana.
This hype.
So
if you guys don't know, Aram is also a YouTuber. If you haven't checked out my what's it called? Jamestown vlog,
yeah.
Guys, what happened in that vlog?
Before the car hits us.
So yeah, we are currently at the Legon, right?
Yeah, so we are currently at Legon right now, and then we're about to test fly the Mavic Mini for the very first time.
This is my very first time. That's you see my expressions, my face. You get it?
We really hope we don't crash this drone, you know. So to many more flights ahead of us, to many more trips, this drone is going to be with her. I mean, it's taking her to I mean northern region, western region, everywhere in Ghana, everywhere in Africa, everywhere in the world. Stella Shanelly is flying everywhere. So I mean, let's begin with unboxing. What do you say?
Oh, unboxing there. Let's go right into the
Let's go right into
You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go. You got to let it go.
This way, and then forth, and the drone is 70% ready to fly. So you look for a very plain spot, devoid of any metals or any
like this.
Yeah, a very plain area like this one.
You have to show me everything step by step.
So you pick this one up and then
like
put it inside. Yeah.
Then you put it in it. Then you scroll.
Yeah.
What's it called?
This is a joystick.
Joystick.
Yeah.
It looks like breast.
Okay, so put your phone inside.
How do I put it?
Anyway, so this way. Not normally your phone should be this way. So
the other way around. Okay.
So hold it. Hold it. No, hold your phone wrong. And then connect it inside.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you press it.
Yeah. But before that, the cable, yeah, it grips it. So before that, there's a cable. There's one over here. So you connect the right ones to this one. So you connect this one inside. Connect it inside.
Does it only pick iPhones or it picks?
So there are two cables. There's one for Android. There are two for Android and one for iPhone. It's inside. Yeah, but then we've done a mistake. So this one has to go inside.
Go to the inside.
Yeah, so remove the... No, remove the phone. Yes. And then when you do this, then this should come this way.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now you can fix it again.
Oh, what the fuck?
Hey.
Aye. Easy, man. My body is itching me to fly this thing.
To
Unlock. So we go to the DJ Fly
app.
And
to turn on, so you click on all the user permissions and statements. Click on set all. Did you turn on your data? Allow while using app. Agree. Join. You now need to sign up. Oh,
I need to sign up.
Guys, we need to sign up. We'll be back soon.
I deleted everything.
Kindly click on connect aircraft.
Connect aircraft.
And choose your type of drone.
Mavic Mini. Obviously.
Ooh. Now, to turn on the DJI Mavic Mini, you first need to first long, first press and then long press, so twice. One and long to hear noise. And then to power on the Mavic Mini. Make sure you cut this part, okay?
I'm going to cut it.
I don't know. Okay, so it's the same thing.
Under.
So to turn it on, so you do the same. You do the same as how you are doing it. So 1 and then 2. So you see the 3 buttons come. Then you leave it on.
We are.
Done. Skip. Go fly. So you see, it's already told us. Ooh. Ooh. So there's no memory card inside right now. So where is the memory card?
Oh no, let's do a test flight before memory card.
No, memory card
give me
first
the memory
because
card.
the battery will probably die. So we're supposed to put in the memory card first. So.
Don't touch this thing. You touch that, something goes up.
Someone with nails. You stand this way.
Oh.
So first of all, to take off, your 2 joysticks have to go diagonally together like this. Then you wait till you see the spins happening, right? Then this is for taking off. This is for like up and down movement. So to take off, you go this way. Now this is the turn. To turn this way, round. This is for turning around. But then this is for turning left, and this is for turning right. And this is for going forward, and this is for going back. Yeah, that's
For
right.
round, for left, right, so the same way like I'm driving a car.
Back. Okay. The same way like driving a car, so we're going up. And Stella is scared and we're going to up. So we're going to take a selfie and let you guys see what's up is happening right here. So let's see what's up here. Come on!
How did you take the selfie?
So you take a picture here.
Okay.
Alright. So now for the video, you switch to video by clicking on this icon and then clicking on video. So you can choose. So it shoots at 2.7, doesn't shoot 4K, but then it's best advisable to shoot at 1080 and then 60 frames so that when you want to kill those slow-mo things. So now we are going to take a very nice. So one thing that you also have to know is birds. Not safe to fly when birds are around, but then we're going to take a fly.
No, be careful with the bed.
No worries. So now the drone is taking off. So now to get this kind of nice cinematic shot, already the drone is facing us and this is the camera view. Alright, so you want to have a very nice cinematic shot, but you need to make sure that there are no objects closer to you. So either you go higher above the objects or you really know what you are doing. So to go, you go back like this. That's always. And then this is for
Good.
So
Back to home.
So you are turning it.
yeah, I'm turning it so that.
How will you know it's ready to come down?
So okay, now if you want to land now, all you need to do is to long press on this. To make sure that where you are getting to land is the perfect place.
Must it always land on the floor? Can't you hold it?
You can hold it. So go and hold the middle side of it. So because of the sensors. So wait, hold it. Wait, so bring your hand down. No, bring your hand down. Now hold it fast. Good. Now turn it upside down. Turn it upside down while holding it.
Upside down.
Good.
That's how you stop it.
Yeah.
Like
That's how you stop it. But you need to know that there are sensors under, so when you are too slow, it's going to go right above.
So you hold it and then
Yeah, you turn it down.
that is when you want to like.
When you don't
hold
want to, yeah, when you want to hold it. But then when you want it to land, you just long press on the down. So you see when I'm telling us compass calibration, so you need to put it down for it to.
Okay, let's go over
so,
again.
Yeah, so but
This
put it down
one-
first. Put it down first.
Okay. This one You said this one is for
taking off, like
taking
going
off
up.
and then circulating the camera.
Yes.
Right?
No, this is not for circulating the camera. This is for circulating the drone. This is the camera angles. Okay, so for circulating the camera, as moving round.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then this one is for left, right,
Left,
front.
right, front, back.
It's just like driving.
Yes. This one is just like for driving. And then this one is for going up,
So
going down, and then
reverse
turning.
is like going down.
Yes.
Okay.
You don't use this for reverse. You use this for down.
Hey, Tom.
You use this for down. You use this for back, like moving back like this.
Which one?
This one.
Yes, yes.
And then you use this one for forward, like.
Okay.
Alright, so remember how I taught you how to take off. So we are going to take off again. So take off and let me see. Together. Hold the two joysticks and then join them together.
You didn't say that.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
Yes.
Diagonally.
Diagonally.
Down. Then you do them until you see this. Now remember in our lesson we spoke about taking off with one of the joysticks, which is the left one. So you take off, but you don't take off too fast. It's like a car. So when you're stepping on the accelerator, don't just step on it. So take off and let's see. Hey, why are you taking to the left too?
Down. Ooh. Look at that.
Who is flying the drone? No?
That's a very beautiful lift, man.
Alright, so now I want to turn the camera to our direction. No, use the other one. So keep turning it to our direction. The camera should face us. And look on the screen. Look at what you're doing. Now let's come up a little bit. And turn it to our direction. No, the other way.
Oh, so it's just like driving.
Yes. Now look at that. So I want you to take a video.
So,
Start
like,
recording the video now. Start recording the video now.
Video.
Yes, click on video. Now click on the red button. Okay, so my computer recording. And this is the drill.
So then, if I want it to go up,
You want it to go up? Yeah, let it keep going up. Let's keep going up. Let's keep going up. Let's keep going up. Don't worry, let's just keep going up. It's not going to crash now. Let's keep going up. Guys, just look at Stella's face, so.
so like, okay, I can see the camera now.
Okay, so let's keep going up. Just let's keep going up now. So now, if you want to land, that's not the best way to land. What you are doing is bad. So like, to let it drop, you just long press on this down. Long press on it down. Keep pressing on it down and let no down.
No,
down.
I want you to go up.
No, we are landing.
Okay.
Just keep landing. Long press. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. That's how it lands.
Then now you don't have to turn it.
You don't. No, you don't have to turn it away.
Like you see the way you say you hold it in.
2,000 years later.
So, Aira has been teaching me for over.
Charlie, over 9 hours
Oh,
now.
don't mind. We got here at 5, remember? And it's almost 6, almost 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And so, I'm about to take off myself. Guys, pray for me. Okay, so let's go. So we're taking off, right?
Yeah. Let's see how good Stella. Hey, someone is flying into the tree, so hey, are we up. Hey, first crash. Guys, look at me, so. So how is it like? How does it feel flying the
Hey,
drone?
look at the views are so amazing. Right? I'm like, yo! I'm fucking flying the drone. So we're going a little up.
2, 1, go. Let's go now, fast.
Oh, yes.
Then you keep letting it go, and now you leave this one, the top one.
Guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. Wow, it's an amazing experience. Ayamdela taught me everything. It's up to me to practice so I can fly on my trips. Ayamdela, cow. Yeah. How was my flight?
The freshest pilot in town, trust me. So her flight over 10, I'll give her 5 to be very honest, because she lost the drone once. She lost the drone once and she almost crashed twice. It was crazy, but I'll give you 5 over 10. I'm
sure very soon I'll start giving you some
cinematic shots. I just can't wait for that. I'm waiting for your next travel vlog where you're giving us, those mad views and angles. Charlie, you're hoping for the best.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
Alright.
Until my next video.